February 2021 saw the inaugural Custodian 3 Training Academy come to fruition. The Academy is designed to help mold the future leaders of SFS Building Services. Over the span of 6 weeks, the course curriculum will include instruction from building services leadership, human resources, as well as hands-on training provided by external vendors on how to maintain the equipment entrusted to all senior custodians. Stan Smith explains how the Academy students were selected.
The initial group was chosen by the supervisors, and they at some point exhibited some leadership skills and abilities, and then they possess all of the qualities and characteristics that we need in our leadership positions, in our leaders rather.
And good for the environment, right? We don't have packaging.
The curriculum also includes knowledge on sustainable cleaning processes, which benefits both the campus and the environment as a whole.
You have to get rid of all of that.
SFS Building Services Associate Director Tommy Little recognizes that the future of his department will rely on developing the right personnel.
Leadership is an area that we are constantly looking at individuals to step forward to take a leadership role. And it's incumbent upon us to make sure that we are preparing those individuals for the leadership roles.
These positions are attainable. It's just you have to want it, you have to put in the work, but we're going to help you along the way.
So over the next 4 to 6 weeks, you'll be going through...
For SFS Through the Lens, I'm Jeff Wiley.